Good morning, Year 2, and welcome to your Wednesday maths lesson. I'm going to share my screen now, and let's get ready for our Fast 5. Right, here we go. As usual, have a go at filling in these questions, these answers. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to pause your screen and do as many as you can. Off you go. Okay, well done. Let's go through our answers together. So we've got 7 add 5 is 12. 10 take away 3 is 7. 33 add 14 is 47. 67 take away 25 is 42. 37 add 17 is 50. So 37 add 10 is 47. Add the 7 is 54. 41 take away the 10 is 31. Take away the 6 is 25. 47 add 34, so 47 add the 30. So we go 57, 67, 77. Add the 4, 81. And 82, take away 34. So we go 72, 62, 52, take away the 4, 48. Okay, well done. If you've got all of those right, give yourself a massive pat on the back. Well done. Okay, let's move on to today's learning. Okay, so today our learning objective is to use the multiplication sign. So we're going to be reading problems and we're going to be working out how we can show them using the multiplication sign. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to look at a number of groups. So we're going to look at a number of groups, how many are in each group. We're going to write the add-in number sentence, so adding all those groups together, number sentence. We're going to write the multiplication number sentence which matches, and then we're going to read a problem and we're going to work out what the picture will be, and work out the picture, work out the problem using our multiplying and our add-in number sentences. So we're seeing how we can write a problem 2 ways today, and we're also going to be looking at showing our part whole as well. So I've got a question. So there are 4 ladybirds with 6 legs each, because they're insects. We learnt that in science. So they've each got 6 legs. How many legs are there altogether in total? So each ladybird is a group, if you like, and they've each got 6 legs. So what will our add-in number sentence be, and what will our multiplication number sentence be? So first thing I'd like you to do is draw the problem. What are the groups? How many are in each group? And then have a go at working out with your at your home, what will your add-in number sentence be and what will your times number sentence be, and also see if you can draw the part whole, so the part whole diagram, and see what that looks like as well. Pause me and off you go. Okay, well done. So we're going to draw the problem here as a problem with groups. So I have got 4 ladybirds. That means I've got 4 groups. 1, 2, 3. All the same size. It'll be very odd looking ladybirds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a small one at the end. And they've each got 6 legs. So I know in each of these I have got 6. So 6. Okay, because in each of my groups I've got 6. So each ladybird is like a group and they've got 6 of everything. So my add-in number sentence is going to be individually add in these 6. We've got 6, add another 6, add another 6, add another 6. So we've got 6, add 6, add 6. So what does that equal altogether? Well, we can either count in our 6s if we know how to do that, or we can use the legs to help us. So I know that this one is 6, so I'm going to carry on from here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So my total is 24. Okay, now I've got to think of it as a times. So remember, my times means lots of or groups of. So how many groups have I got? How many lots of have I got? So I've got 4. I've got 4 ladybirds. I've got 4 groups. I've got 4 lots of. So I've got 4 is going to go in there for me. Move that over a little bit. And I've got how many, and I've got lots of what. So in each of my groups, I have got 6. So my answer is going to be 6. So 4 times 6 is, and it's the same answer as my adding one because it's the same number of legs, 24. Okay. Now with adding, doesn't matter which order I put these numbers in, and it's the same with time. So 4 times 6 is 24. 6 times 4 will also be 24. But for this picture, 4 groups of 6, that's the number sentence we're showing. Now I'm going to use these down here as my part whole. So how many parts have I got? Well, remember my parts are how many groups I've got. So I've got 4 parts because I've got 4 groups. What will my whole number be? So my whole number, I'm going to just draw it up here, will be my total. And what is my total number I've got today? I have got 24. So 24 is going to go in here. And then I've got my 4 parts, all that makes 6, like that. So 4 times 6. So when I see 4 times 6, I know that's 4 groups of 6 that are going to make my 24. 4 6s, 4 lots of 6. Okay? Hope that makes sense. Well done to all of you that had to go at doing that today. So what does multiplication mean? It means lots of, groups of, and they're equal groups. So it means we're getting lots of the same number in a group. Okay, so lots of or groups of, that's what multiplication means. So when you don't want to write those words, that's when you can use the multiplication sign. Fantastic. So we have got a picture here, okay? So you can draw it yourself. You're going to see how many groups we've got, how many are in each group, what will the added number sentence be, and which one will be our, and which one, what will our times number sentence be, and then what will our part whole be. Okay? Oh, so it's gone. So pause your screen now and have a little look at that and see what are all those things going to be. Well done. Off you go. Okay, well done. Let's have a little look at how many, first of all, how many groups I've got and what are the groups. We've got one group here, because they're with Numicon pieces. There are 3 groups because each Numicon piece has got something in it. So I've got 3 groups. And how many are in each group? So I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 pieces. So I'm going to have okay, so what will my adding number sentence be? So I've got a 3 and I've got another 3 and I've got another 3 because I'm adding 3 3s. So I'm going to be adding 3, add 3, add 3 because I'm adding 3 3s all together. 3 3s. So 3, add 3, add 3 because I've got 3 groups of 3. 3 lots of 3. If I want to write that as a time sentence, because I've got 3 groups of 3, I can get rid of the groups of and I can just put times. 3 times 3 equals. And what does it equal? What's our total altogether? Well, we know how to count in 3s, so let's go. 3, 6, 9. So our answer is going to be 9. Right, let's have a go at doing our part whole. So my whole number is going to be, my whole number is going to be my total, which is 9. How many parts have I got? That's how many groups I've got, which is 3. 1, 2, 3. And in each of my parts, I have got 3. So 3 is going to go in each of my parts. And 3, add 3, add 3 makes my whole. And that means, and if I look at this diagram, I know I've got 3 lots of 3, which is 3 times 3. Well done if you got all of that right. Right, next one. Got a problem to read. The teacher had 9 pencil pots with 5 pencils in each pot. Draw the problem. How many groups are there? What are the groups? How many in each group? What will the add-in number sentence be, the times, and the part whole? Off you go. Okay, well done. So we know we've got 9 groups. We've got 9 pencil pots, and there are groups because they've got something in them. They're a group of. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I've got 9 pencil pots. And in each of my pencil pots, I've got 5. There's 5 in each group. So we've got 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So my add-in number sentence is going to be adding all these 5s together. So I have got 5, add 5, add 5, add 5, add another 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, add another 5, 6, add another 5, 7, add another 5, 8, add another 5, 9. So I've got my 9 5s here all together to add. And my times number sentence will be, well, I've got 9 lots of 5, 9 groups of 5. So if I take away that groups of, I can put a times instead. So I've got 9 times 5. And let's work out what our total will be. Well, we know how to count in 5, so let's all go together. Everyone with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So my answer is 45. Okay, so now I know that I've got all my parts here that make my whole, because I've got 9 parts, and then all together make my whole number, which will be 45. Fantastic. Right, last one for you to do. 3 spiders with 8 legs each. What will my add-in number sentence be? What will my times number sentence be? Draw your part whole and draw the problem. Off you go. Pause me. Okay, well done. So we've got 3 spiders, so that's how many groups we have, because that's how many have got something in them, how many we've got of a group of. So we've got 3 groups of spiders, and they've each got inside their group 8 legs. So our add-in number sentence is going to be 8, that's 1 spider, add another 8 from the other spider, add another 8 from the final spider. There's 3 groups of 8, 3 8s, and altogether they will make 24. And to write that as a times, we've got 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 groups of 8, 3 lots of 8, 3 spiders with 8 legs equals 24. And our part whole, we will need 3 parts, because we've got 3 groups. And in each part will be 8. And then my whole number, my parts all equal, will be 24. Okay, so those 3 parts go together to make 24. So if you got that right, fantastic. Right, I'm going to give you some problems now to draw. So first 2 problems I'm going to show you, so you can pause and do those. You're matching the added number sentence to a times one, and then you're working through this problem, 6 horses with 4 legs each, and draw the part whole diagrams as well. And then you've got 2 multiplication problems to do after that. So you can do that then. So first of all, I'm going to go up here for that. So you can pause for this starting bit up here. And once you're ready, now you can see this bit and you can pause again. Okay, and any learning you do, send over to the Palmer Academy, year2@thepalmeracademy.com, and we will respond. Any other learning you want to do around times in and showing me part wholes and making up your own problems, writing your own stories at multiplication, that is great. Have a lovely day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.